and 23 coaches and chaperones. The focal person is Mr. Erwin J. Camayo. Next, schools from Uwak Elementary School, Cambayawon Elementary School, and Bahugan Elementary School. Zone 3, Okamba. Okay, thank you, Zone 3, Okamba. Okamba has 40 athletes and 20 teachers and
Aring
coaches.
James sa
With our
Dimyaute.
focal person, Mr. Jaime
Na district mate
Bitina
karon.
Jr. Next, schools from Canlambong Elementary School, Kadapagan, Kanhayupon Elementary School, Kadapagan Elementary School, and Lapsawon Elementary School, and Kanhayupon Elementary School. Zone 4, Kakalakan Team. Thank you, Zone 4, composed of 29 athletes and 24 coaches and chaperones. With their focal person, Mrs. Marchel and Rulida. Next, from Guinea Central Elementary School, Zone 5.
Oh, district mate.
Thank you, Zone 5. Zone 5 has 42 athletes and 26 coaches and chaperone. With their focal person, the Dimiao Central Elementary School Principal, Mrs. Veronica G. Hapson. Now, let's go to the secondary team.
Bugod tayo, dili na magdungog
First,
tayo.
we have from Kanhayupon National High School, Zone 6. Okay, thank you. Kanhayupon National High School Zone 6. Signages is composed of 74 athletes and 22 coaches and chaperone. With their focal person, their school in charge, Mrs. Arlene R. Gamuti. Next, from Dimiao National High School, Zone 7.
Asamo DMSA!
Zone 7, Dimiao National High School is composed of 100 athletes and 41 coaches and chaperones. Next, last but not definitely not the least, from Limocon National High School, Zone 8. Sorry, I forgot to mention the vocal person ng Dimiao National High School, the school principal, Mrs. Esther Simingon, sorry tayo manuhan. And then, Limocon National High School is composed of 49 athletes and 14 coaches and chaperone with their vocal person, Mr. Charlito Sinapos, the school in charge. For this year, our total athletes, we have 421, 198 elementary, and 223 high school, with 183 coaches and 12 non-teaching personnel, with a total of 616 participants for this year's Dimiao District 2026 Athletic Meet Competition. So there you are, our 8 proud song teams composed of 3 secondary and 5 elementary schools of Dimiao District. To our athletes, play with heart, compete with honor, respect your fellow athletes, and give your very best. Run with courage, jump with determination, play with passion, and compete with honor. Good luck to all the zones, good luck to all the teams. Thank you and good morning.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Alex, for the presentation of the different participating teams. And of course,